This was the insert I purchased from Handbag Angels. You can see it is nice felt. Here's a look at the inside. There are 2 pockets. A little item you could also put with your bills in or other items inside. I picked gray. Let's look at the back and the D-ring on this side, D-ring on the other side. Their packaging also included a very nice and heavy chain. This type of insert, I'll go ahead and hook this up too so you can get a better. Here is where the chain connects to the insert, and the chain's pretty long. It's enough to wear like a wallet on chain. It's a good weight as well. Now the St. Laurent Clutch in Monogram does have a tab or a D-ring on the inside here where you can hook a chain. If I did not purchase the conversion kit, I would hook the chain up here, and I'm gonna go ahead and put that on so you can see how that connects. This is for this fully removable. So here is where the ring is. Let me go ahead and hook up the chain. I received up the other side of the chain to the D-ring, and I have been using it. You can see inside with the leather, it has rubbed a little bit, but I think it's worth it. So if I were to hang the clutch, here is how it looks. Sorry, just like a wallet on chain. And when it's open, go ahead and double this. You will notice that it doesn't flop open unless you hold it like to the side. But with the chain on the inside, you can treat it like a wallet on chain. So crossbody, again, here's how it looks. When I ordered my insert, I actually specified the wrong dimensions, and don't give the same dimensions as the clutch, otherwise you'll only be use it to store the clutch, which I don't mind. If you decide to order your own insert, make sure you allow room for it to just be on the bottom part here and not the top part. You can still use it. I've kind of been folding this down. It does make the clutch kind of balloon out a little bit. And go ahead and close it so you can see what it looks like. This is with the insert folded down. I've kind of tucked the edging, and then I can go ahead and kind of buckle it like that, but it's not good for the leather. Here's how it looks on the side. You can use the chain with it this way. So here's how it looks. Again, the fault was mine when I ordered this. Didn't give enough allowance for the top, but if you buckle it closed, this is how it would look from this side, the D-ring. So with the insert in and the D-ring, this is what the side looks like. The leather is pushed out, insert. Other side, you can push the center out. It really looks like a wallet on chain, which is pretty amazing. Here's, if you hold it, it's got a good amount of weight.